Hi everyone, my name is Cynthia. I am one of the library assistants at Valencia West Campus Library. When you contact the library service help desk email with any issues trying to log in with your library account, most likely your account is updated to help you log in again. Here are some important details to know. Log in the classic way with your borrower ID and PIN with the link provided and search the library. Atlas single sign-on will be unavailable until the system sync again, meaning you cannot log in into the library through your Atlas account until these systems are synced up. Please allow up to 24 hours to log in through Atlas. If you don't know how to log in the classic way, you can use the link provided after. Here are additional instructions for more information. This link brings you to the library login instructions. Select Valencia College under College. Your borrower ID is your VID. Your PIN is the last 4 digits of your VID. Once you click on Search the Library to access your library account the classic way, make sure to log in with your borrower ID, which is your VID, and PIN, the last 4 digits of your VID. Now that you're logged in, you can now access all of the library's online resources. You can also log in into the library the classic way on your phone. With the link on Search the Library, it will direct you to this page, so you need to log in with your borrower ID and your PIN. Once entered, you will see the library catalog menu options. Click on Full Catalog Site menu to access a full catalog. You might have to click it 2 times to access the site correctly. When you reach the library site with all resources, make sure to click on Login so the system connects your account. To verify that you are logged in, look at the left-hand side. Above all, it would say Sign in by your name. You are able to access all of the online library resources such as the databases, library catalog, article, ebooks, and more. I hope this tutorial helps you on how to access the library the classic way on both your computer and phones. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.